Wow, Shopify is really making waves today, and it's all about a delightful dash of easing tensions on the global stage. So grab your most chilled virtual glass of lemonade, and let's break it down. First things first, Shopify saw a significant bounce in its stock value, shooting up by a juicy 13.89%. Why the sudden leap, you ask? Well, it all ties back to some much-needed relief between the US and China regarding their infamous trade spat. The Trump administration announced some promising updates. For the next 90 days, import tariffs on Chinese goods are set to lower from a hefty 145% to a slightly more breathable 30%. Meanwhile, China responded by slashing its tariffs from 125% to a mere 10%. This reduction spells a whole lot of saved nickels and dimes for businesses, and that's undeniably music to Shopify's ears. Shopify, the e-commerce darling, supports a veritable alphabet soup of businesses, from passionate small enterprises to giant juggernauts. Tariffs have been like a tight, uncomfortable shoe for these businesses, straining wallets and widening economic uncertainties. When Donald Trump's team signaled a trade cool-down, Shopify's stakeholders probably heard a collective sigh of relief from their merchant base. And why does this matter so much, you ponder? The answer is found between the numbers. Around 13% of all goods imported into the US are from China, making them a substantial cog in the e-commerce machine. Any wrinkles in this fabric could easily crumple Shopify's seamless user experience. With these tariffs reduced, both Shopify and its users can breathe a bit more easily, potentially setting up their businesses for much sunnier prospects. Adding sprinkles to today's announcement, we shouldn't forget Shopify's recent stellar performance, reporting a near 27% rise in sales to $2.4 billion in the first quarter. Their gross merchandise volume also ballooned almost 23% to $74.8 billion. Today's trade news adds a generous spoonful of gravy to Shopify's hearty plate of success. But don't get too comfy just yet. While pleasantries between the US and China are percolating, a permanent resolution is yet to emerge. That said, other trade negotiations around the globe also demand our attention, since they share the stage in this economic soiree. So, stay tight, Shopify watchers. Keep those browser tab highways open for any subsequent updates, both from the Shopify booth and the International Trade Coliseum. It's just the beginning of an exciting narrative in which e-commerce stands center stage, dressed in optimism. With this, Shopify continues to strut its stuff down Wall Street, keeping investors on their toes, but clearly for all the right reasons today. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.